Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show homegrown organic bean sprouts. Just follow this easy method and you will get sweet, crunchy and very tasty healthy bean sprouts at home, which is very easily grown. It just takes about 3 days and 4th day it's ready to use. Please follow this method and try out in your home and you will get a very good bean sprout, organic and high protein and very nutritious and good for children. Use it for salads, or you can use it Singapore mee hoon, or you can even use in your stir fried noodles, that is mee goreng, and even for stir fried mixed vegetables. I've shown some of this in my videos, which my own homegrown bean sprouts I've used. So you please follow this recipe, this method of how we, and you will get a very good bean sprout, organic, nutritious and very high protein and very good for children. Please try out this and put your comments and suggestions. I'll be very happy to receive it. Thank you. 50 grams in water for about 8 hours. For 8 hours, it's well soaked. Now I'm going to spread it in the tissue. I put kitchen towel, tissue, a layer in this strainer, and I placed a dish down for the water to drip. Now I am going to spread the moong dal in this. See? Cover it with a layer of tissue. See, I have spread it nicely. Okay, it has to be wet at the bottom. Now I am putting another tissue and covering it, and then I make it wet. Okay. So the tissue is wet. Now I am going to, every 8 hours once you have to sprinkle water on top of the tissue. And then now I am going to place putting a plate over it so the bean sprout is nice and thick. It will grow into a thick bean sprout, and I am putting a bowl of water. And then emptying the water. Now I am going to cover this. Use a garbage bag and then leave it in a dark place to germinate. This is after 8 hours I am doing this. Second day, after I kept watering, just to check. Can you see the bean sprout? It's already starting to germinate. Can you see the sprouts? Okay, so this is the second day. So like I have to, every 8 hours have to sprinkle water and then cover back. I just sprinkle water and then leave it for another day. And then remove any water at the bottom of the pan. And I have already sprinkled water. Now I am going to put back the plate and the pot bowl of water on top, and then cover back with the black plastic bag, and then put it in a dark place.
Okay.
See how long it is grown. Okay, so now I'll be removing it. See, can you see the roots already come out? So I'm going to remove, see, like this it will be. Okay, so I'll be removing it. You can just take off like this. Okay. So this is the bean sprout. It took about, this is the 4th day. Now you can use it. You saw, it's just, hold on. This is the homegrown bean sprout. It just takes about 4th day you can use. First day soaking about 8 hours. The second day you have to drain it and then put it on the tissue bed like how I showed you, and then after that you have to keep sprinkling water every 8 hours and cover it. Now it's ready to use. It's organic, homegrown, and it is very nutritious, high protein.